Okay, firstly let's open the simplest project in Windows, which called Notepad, and let's type something here like hello. It's a for instance, and let's save it, or try to save it. It's the file which illustrated here. It's another file, and already exists. Let's to try to save this file at the same name, and suddenly our program asks, this file is already exists, and would you like to erase it or change it? I press no because its file exists and it's important for me. And how we can solve this problem in Delphi? I mean, we have the project, like depending on memo and one beautiful element like button or save dialog, and we have here memo, and we would like to save our projects, for example memos name lines, sorry, but without false, like without erasing old files, and just only when file exists it will ask, would you like to erase it or something else. Okay, let's try to make it left. Okay, just let's add then a button and caption, let's change to save. It's enough. And the one important another component is save dialog. It's important. And filter for save dialog, we will try to txt files, like for instance it's easy to save memos lines by txt. We can easily change the select the name of filter dot document or excel files, something. It's not just important. And let's try to make, let's firstly save our files here, and let's make the new directory folder for it, new save file for example, and here, okay, let's save it. Okay, save it, and suddenly we type, let's try, we type something here, for example hello, and oh my god, we have the problem because we not type the code or program. Firstly let's press the button on click, we type the save dialog first, execute, just only execute, and here go to the execute save dialogs event. Here we have on can close, we typed here on can close if, okay, if file exists, X here. Okay, save dialog first, file name plus dot txt, it's important, then begin. Okay, we try to make and here. Okay, if the exists, this file exists, case is important. Why? Because we have some problems, like something have to ask a question like we asked in Notepad, is a program, and here we type the message dialog with our question like uh, change change it is a question of our program, and comma here empty confirmation, then to these images, and then type mb yes and mb no. So firstly, and comma here we press 0. If the message dialog something case case the message dialog change it and confirmation yes no mb off error yes begin. Okay, and here, okay, memo second, memo 2 lines, save to file, okay, save dialog firstly, okay, files file name, just beautiful, and plus .txt. Okay, else when we have the mb no, mr no, we press the no button here in the message dialog, begin, and abort, just only abort. And in cases like we change the directory name, like we would like to save in another name, like, okay, let's type here end because it's important. Okay, let's type else, begin, and oops, let's erase it, and just imagine only we have to copy this line, paste this line here. Okay, we have the same things, like let's just firstly write here hello, yes, hello, and let's save it when we have the new save yef here. Let's make another folder, change the name new. Okay, let's call it first, and let's type another things like, okay, my name is mr art. Okay, let's try to save it. We have the first file, and try to save it like second. Try it, and let's open this file, the new folder which we created here. It's created, and we have two files, first and second. First file is hello, as we illustrated, and second, my name is Nihat. Yes, let's try to save this new file, memos lines, in the another name. For example, first one. Let's try to save the same names, and we'll try. We have, let's see. Oh, just sorry for this. Let's try it again. Let's try for example, the same name, and let's try type 1. Yep, we tried, and our message dialog illustrates here. Visualize, would you like to change it? We press yes, and then we open the file and look at it. Yes, it's the same file. And another time, let's change it like sorry, it's a beautiful world, and let's try to firstly another name. Yes, 1, type here 1. Okay, this time I don't want to change it, and press no. Okay, let's this time look at this file. It's the same, not changed. And by this way, it's a, let's save it, it's a conclusion of our work for today. And in this way we can easily make the little program and use this specific area in specific files in Delphi programming. Thanks.